In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegetables stay green, crunchy, healthy, and also looking delicious. So first of all, I stir fried my beef. I added in onion and garlic, stirred, added in some salt, and then added in some seasoning cube and water because it was about to burn. And then after that, I added in my seasoning of choice, any seasoning of choice, whatever you want to add, the flavors which you want, you can add in at this moment. So it was ready and I took it out, and in another pot I added in hot water. It was boiled, actually boiled water, and then seasoning of choice, salt to taste. Then I added in my broccoli. This process reserves the green color of the vegetables. So I added my broccoli and this stayed in the water for just 30 seconds. I brought it out and also added all other vegetables like carrot, green beans, and bok choy. And then I did the same thing 30 seconds and I brought it out of the water. So this process reserves the color of the vegetables and also the nutrients of the vegetables. It doesn't stay in water, it reserves the color, it makes it look really beautiful. And as you can see, that's my bok choy. If you don't know what bok choy is, it's a Chinese vegetable. I love them so much. It's crunchy, it has a lot of water, and it's healthy. Then after that, I transferred everything into a baking tray, and then I added in my bell peppers and my onion. I didn't parboil the bell peppers and the onion. I just transferred this all into the baking tray. Again, I added my seasoning of choice and also added in some salt to taste. Then I added the stir-fried pork. As you can see, I added in the stir-fried pork, and then I have to mix everything together. I added in some leftover fish which I had at home, and then some butter. And of course, you can always come in with olive oil or any oil of choice, but I preferred butter at this point. It went into the oven for like 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Then when it was crunchy, like at the texture I wanted, I brought it out. Like, it depends on how long or how crunchy you want it to be, that the duration in which you leave it in the oven. So as you can see, everything was looking good. It was delicious. If you like this video, please give me a follow, give me a like, leave a comment, and also share with friends and family. Thank you for